All right, let's go get the car washed. Filled up the tank. Gonna get it washed. Then I gotta go back over to Enterprise Rent-A-Car to have them inspect it and re-rent it for another 10 days to get me through the rest of this move. I don't really know if I'm obligated to wash the car, but I'm gonna do it anyway because it's kind of dirty, especially from all the smoke and ash that's been surrounding this area the last couple of weeks. I want it to look nice and clean for them when they inspect it and they go, okay, this guy's taking good care of the car. We'll let him have it for another 10 days. Plus, we get to go through the automated car wash and I get more content. This will probably be the last time I'll be using the Happy Boy car wash. I'm not going to be taking you with me. Well, I'm going to take the camera with me, but you're not going to get to see me going into the rent-a-car place or anything like that, because I got to dismount my mount for the camera off of the sun visor so they don't see it and go, what the hell are you doing? Taping this thing to our sun visor? Not that it's hurt it or anything, but I just don't want them to think I'm doing anything weird with their car. Damn, I should have grabbed a bottle of water before I left home. Oh well. Do you love when people just change lanes in front of you for their own benefit and don't even bother putting on their blinker? So many a-holes in the world. Oh wow. You can see a line of smoke across just above the horizon there. Wonder if that's a new fire, or I heard that the Bobcat fire flared up over the last couple days. That's like 50 miles away from here or something like that. Seeing that dark smoke up there makes me wonder if the El Dorado fire is flared up again. But that's behind us, so this could even be a new fire. Have to watch the news and find out. Okay, here we are, Happy Boy car wash. They better be open. Could I have the deluxe? Thanks. Okay, here we go. I'm only getting the deluxe. Oh, and here's this guy. He's been there the last 2 times we've been here. Are we in? I think we're in. Okay, put our car in neutral. Put off the brakes. Do not brake. Here we go. I'll be quiet. And we're clear to go. I get to go over here and vacuum. I'm not going to subject you to the vacuuming. I'm just going to say goodbye. And hopefully next time you see me, I'll still be driving this car. Okay, so I gotta do it quick. Deuces, peace out, peace tea out, IBC root beer out, 10-4 over and out, 10-03 and out, Chad, bling bling bling, bye, collect.